Hi, today I have another challenge lock to open. This nice aero cylinder. It has been pinned by Ucof. It has number 11 on it, and here there is a spool-a-thon, so I think that maybe some spools are in this. This is the key. You can see, not too crazy beating, challenging but not too crazy. And on the key there is engraved 11/12, so I think this has been a set. So now, enough talking, just a watch here, just a look. It's a 5-pinner and it seems untouched, so I don't expect the Bible to be threaded, but we will see. Enough talking, let's pick it. Okay, ready to go. Just a quick check if it works perfectly. So now let's try to pick it. I will pick from this small ledge on the left. This. And voila! Unexpected open. This is crazy. This is crazy, but I take it. Okay. Now let's try to remain on the shot and get it. Okay. Just a minute. I will just move my professional setup. And then let's go and start the usual fight with the circlip. Okay, first we close it because we have the key, and then we cut and we remove the circlip. Okay. It's going to be a little fight, but we can win it. No, actually I don't know if I'm gonna win it, but let's try. Oh, I'm gonna win it. Okay. Now the key. Where is the key? Okay. My shim, because we have a big gap here. And my follower. Let's make this disaster. Oh, not made a disaster. Really nice. You see, all the pins are working and all needed to be picked. Maybe just the number 4 and 5 were almost at the shear line, but let's see what's inside. So, sorry. So, number 1, a spool. Number 2, serrated. 3, a spool, serrated, very long serrated, and a spool. Now let's see in the core. I don't see anything unusual, but let's feel too. No, everything is standard in the core. Let's look at this pin. Maybe we will arrange them. Number 1 is a homemade spool. Very thin body and very long one too, with some little steps here at the end. Really nice. Number 2, serrated with a little reduced diameter on top, I think. As usual, I will do the photo for the close-up of the fin at the end. Number 3, another homemade spool, and again I think reduced diameter. We will see better in the photos. Number 4, how long is it? A very big serrated with large serrations, and I think also reduced diameter. It's an habit. Number 5, spool unmade, very thin. Oops. And now let's see upstairs. So, just to remain on camera. Okay. Maybe in this way. Okay, Paola. Okay, number 1, a spool. Number 2, another spool. Sorry, I don't catch all the springs. Number 3, a spool. Well, came out. Don't wanna come out the spring. Oh yes, definitely there is a spring. Now from the back, so maybe we are a little closer. No, actually not. Oh my god. Number 5. Oh, it's so thin, I almost lost it. A tiny spool. Another spring. Maybe they're all the same. And then the last one. Another tiny spool. Let's see. And this is the last spring. Let me see inside. Oh. It seems everything standard. Yeah. Let's have a look at this pin. Very interesting one. This is one of the shortest and quickest spool I ever seen. You see? Very nice, and a very small cap, as I say. Really nice. The same thing in number 4. Number 3, it's almost a commercial one, I think. Number 2, this is a spool, but the diameter doesn't look all the same. So it's more like, I cannot say, a pyramid. Again, we will see better in the photos. And this look like a commercial one. So, a very fun lock. I have to say that when I picked off camera, it put up a very big fight. So this quick opening was totally unexpected. But I take it. Sometimes we need also luck. So, bye bye!